much all parts of the UK on Thursday. Overnight, mostly partly clear skies, and most it will stay dry. With the breeze picking up, though, it means it won't be as cold as it was through Wednesday night, and it's not dry everywhere. Some rain in Northern Ireland. A little bit through the evening, but really the rain gets going here after midnight. Light showers possible across Scotland, but for most it is a dry night. That breeze, though, picking up, coming up from the south, although some pockets of frost are likely across more rural parts of northeast England and eastern Scotland. For most, temperatures will be well above freezing to start Friday, but it's going to be a cold one still. Yeah, we'll start to see a cloudy evening later in the day, but generally it's going to be a cloudier day on Friday, certainly for Northern Ireland. Quite a wet day here. Rain at times on the west coast of Scotland, and eventually some cloud thickening with some rain across parts of West Wales, maybe a shower in southwest England. But for the bulk of England, eastern parts of Wales, much of eastern and southern Scotland, it's another dry, bright day, and it will be a bit warmer than Thursday, even though there won't be quite as much sunshine around. The winds, again, coming up from the south, bringing milder air. However, it will still feel pretty cold across northern Scotland, especially in the Aberdeenshire coastline here with the wind off the sea to 6 or 7 Celsius. Elsewhere, you feel that mild in Northern Ireland with the rain, but you can see the warmth here just starting to rain across parts of the Midlands, maybe northwest England, and certainly down across the southeast. We could easily see temperatures 13 to 15, maybe 16, possibly even 17 degrees Celsius. Where we hang on to some sunshine. Through Friday evening, a band of rain will trickle its way through central parts of Scotland and a little bit across northwest England. But for many, if you're heading away for the weekend, real issues on the roads. For many, it stays dry. There'll be more showers spiralling into Northern Ireland overnight on Friday night in western Scotland. And we do have this waving weather fronts. When these weather fronts wriggle and wave like this across the UK, they always give us some headaches, and this will be a big feature into the weekend, bringing some rain to start the weekend across Wales, southwest England, and then winding its way a little bit further north before perhaps trying to push away and then coming back across the southeast and east Anglia on Sunday. It all adds up to a mixed picture for the weekend. Fairly typical, it has to be said, for this time of year. There will be some sunshine this weekend, but with that weather front around, some places will see some heavy rain as well. Warm in the southeast, certainly on Saturday, but it may not last into Sunday with the threat of rain returning. For a full, detailed picture of the weekend weather, to the YouTube channel. There's always more on our website. Hello, welcome along to your Friday morning forecast. It's not going to be quite as cold on Friday morning as it was on Thursday morning. Won't be quite as sunny either, but for most, dry and bright, with some places starting with some sunshine. Northern Ireland is not one of those places, though. Here it's quite a grey start to Friday, and a soggy start too, and the rain lingering for much of the day here. We'll also see some further outbreaks of rain trickling into western parts of Scotland. Quite a wet day across the Western Isles. Much of eastern and southern Scotland, though, dry and bright, and as I said, not as cold, not as frosty as it was Thursday. We'll start with much of eastern England. The western sunshine is rather more hazy with this cloud just starting to push in, and the winds getting blustering around western coast throughout the day. Really gusty here, and there will be further rain at times across Northern Ireland, western Scotland. A little bit of rain pushing its way towards the Northern Isles, and eventually clouding over into the southwest of England, southwest Wales, and a bit of rain towards Pembrokeshire during Friday afternoon. Elsewhere, though, it's largely dry and still bright, and actually, it's a bit warmer than Thursday. Temperatures getting into the teens quite widely. Still a pretty chilly feel on some of these North Sea coasts, especially the Aberdeenshire coast. But in the heart of England, 13, 14, the southeast, 15 or 16 is possible. Through Friday evening, we'll start to see more rain working its way towards the central part of Scotland. A little bit of showery rain over North Wales and northwest England too, but no major issues out on the roads if you're heading away for the weekend. It will still be pretty gusty though, especially across the far northwest. Southerly winds keep blowing through much of Friday night. Band of rain tends to peter out across northeast Scotland, but the threat of a bit more rain in the southwest later on, and more rain spiralling around a low pressure system coming into the northwest. It sets us up for a bit of a messy picture as we go into the weekend. Fairly typical weekend really for April. There'll be some spring sunshine, yes, but there will also be be some heavy downpours. Quite warm in the southeast, certainly on Saturday. It may change for Sunday, but overall it will be a bit warmer than it was last weekend. Then that's not too hard, is it? More details on the weekend. You can get a full weekend forecast on our YouTube channels. Either way, stay up to date. That's on our websites or our social media channels. Hello and welcome to your weekend forecast from the Met Office. The picture this weekend is rather mixed. We'll see some sunshine, I think, in most places, but there is the likelihood of heavy rain at times. Warmer than recent weekends for all, but particularly so across the southeast on Saturday. But even here by Sunday, we'll see some wet weather. So as I said, it is mixed. It's chopping and changing a little bit. Why so? Well, if you take a look at the pressure pattern, it kind of shows the story. 3 areas of low pressure milling around each other to the west, high pressure to the east, and in between a weather front. It's not just any old weather front, but a waving weather front. And when we get these wriggling, waving weather fronts, they always pose as meteorologists something of a question mark. Always difficult to pin down the detail. But this one looks like it'll bring rain up across the southwest first thing on Saturday, spreading into Wales and the Midlands quite quickly, and then into parts of northern England, possibly southern Scotland too. And this rain could be quite heavy, possibly even some thunderstorms mixed in. Either side, something a bit drier, although a few showers are likely in Northern Ireland and northwest Scotland. 1 or 2 showers following, but it should brighten up by the afternoon over much of Wales and southwest England. The sunniest and potentially warmest weather likely across East Anglia and the southeast. Here, well, we could certainly for a time get to 16, 17, possibly even 18 Celsius. Elsewhere, we're looking at 10 to 12 degrees, around about average for the time of year. Sunday's chart, still that wriggling, waving weather front around, but it's a little bit further east. If anything, it could start to move back further west. It does mean a different day for East Anglia and the southeast. Again, still some uncertainty about the position, but it could be quite cloudy and damp here. 1 or 2 showers for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but for many it'll be dry and bright, I fancy, on Sunday. Certainly a brighter day across much of northern England with some sunshine. And again, when the sun comes out, there's a bit of power in it now, so it doesn't feel too bad. Temperatures generally getting into double digits, 11 to 13. A cooler day across the southeast of East Anglia, chilly across the far north of Scotland. So as is typical at this time of year, it is a bit mixed. There's lots going on. The best way to keep up to date with the latest forecast is to download the Met Office app. But with more on our website.